The purpose of this video series is to demonstrate the operation of Tecom's D1021 video doorbell. And today I'm going to introduce to you Wi-Fi Chime. C1031 is the plug-and-play Wi-Fi chime that was especially designed to work with Tecom Doorbell and its mobile app. One Wi-Fi chime only pairs with one doorbell. The chime is very easy to use. It has 16 melodies to choose from and 4 volume levels. To start using the chime, you have to pair it with the doorbell. I will start by plugging the chime into the power outlet. The LED should slowly flash green and red. Mine doesn't, because it is not the first time I'm pairing it. To put the chime in the discovery mode, I'll simultaneously press ringtone and volume buttons for about 10 seconds. Now it's time to refer to the app. Go to System Settings, Your Doorbell, Add Wi-Fi Chime. The first step is to connect the doorbell to the chime's Wi-Fi. Choose the Wi-Fi chime's SSID from the list. And go back to the app. Next is to choose the name. Let's make it Hallway for simplicity. At last, connect your chime to the same Wi-Fi network as your doorbell camera. To do that, choose the first option from the list. And of course, don't forget to connect your phone back to the network. Wi-Fi chime pairing is successful. Now you can start using it. When the doorbell button is pressed, the chime will play the melody that you selected. You can choose the melodies by pressing the ringtone button. You can also control the volume. Just press the volume button to choose the level you want.